Meanwhile, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission is probing alleged nepotism and financial irregularities at the National Police Service Commission. A document seen by KTN News shows that the anti-graft body EACC is seeking to know how the Police Commission has been run since the year 2019 when new leadership took over. KTN's Franklin Walla now reports.
The Anti-Graft Agency has issued summons to some top officials at the National Police Service Commission to appear before it on Thursday this week over allegations of nepotism and favoritism. Those summoned are the Director of Human Capital Management at the National Police Service Commission, the CEO Joseph Onyango, and the Chairman of the Commission, Eliud Kinuthia. The officials are expected to supply the EACC with the relevant documents, including Human Resource Manual, current nominal role of staff, and a list of all staff who have been employed by the Commission since January 2019. The summoned officers are expected to shed light on the hiring and recruitment procedures from the year 2019. The summons were issued following complaints of nepotism and unfair dismissal of police officers by the Commission. Allegation that the chair, Eliud Kinuthia, has dismissed as mere propaganda aimed at tainting